y'all, it's your girl Mommy in Heels. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and become part of the Heel gang, alright? And make sure that your notification bell is turned on so you don't miss any uploads from your girl, alright? Y'all, this is going to be a quick, easy, and affordable video. I'm taking some items that I got from the home goods store, some flowers, some artificial flowers at that. And I'm just showing you how you can add some greenery to your home for the spring. So if you're interested, keep watching this video. Alright, y'all, so let's get started. So these vases I got from the at-home store, and these are some artificial plants. I don't even know where I got the artificial plants from, but I love these vases. I'm just going to go ahead and decorate this. I have something in mind. I just want it to be tropical looking because, for one, I love anything tropical, and I just wanted to invoke some like relaxation type of vibe in my great room. Okay, as you see, these are my vases that are on the outside of my fireplace. And yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and play around with this. The good thing about decorating your home is that it's your home, so you do things the way that you want to do it. You know, everybody's taste is not your taste. You just got to do what works for you. Okay. And after several minutes of playing around with this thing, y'all, this is what I came up with. Not too bad. I think I could add a little bit more greenery. I'm not sure. I might add something later on, but this is the final result, and voila. Now moving on to the next piece. All right, so moving on to the kitchen, y'all. This is my centerpiece that is in my island. Y'all already know the kitchen is one of my favorite rooms in my house. And these plants, I don't even know what they call, but I got them from the home store, and they were $4.99, y'all. And the white flowers I already had, I got those from, I think it was Dollar General. And then the gold beads in that glass were from Dollar General as well as that glass vase. All right, so I just needed something else to add to it because I wanted it to be a lot fuller than it was, being that it is the center of my kitchen. So you're gonna see me mess around with this, and I'm just gonna just get it to my liking. That's all I'm doing here. So hopefully y'all like the way it comes out. Yeah, so I don't know what it is about me and white flowers, but I absolutely love them. So I really do like the way this turned out. It's so girly, it's so spring-like, and to me it's so adorable. So moving on to my next item, which is this cute little corner in my great room. This corner was kind of bare, so I thought I'd spruce it up a little bit with some Japanese orchid that I found at the at-home store. These were $6, and they came together like you see right here, and I just added them into this vase I've had for years. Okay, I've had this vase so long I don't even remember where I got it from, but I thought this was like a cute addition to add to my little corner in my great room, as you see here. Okay, and so the last room I'm going to decorate is my diva room slash closet slash office, y'all. So of course, this room I can do basically anything I want with it. I'm just going to add some flowers, some cute little tulips, some different color roses, pink, white, yellows, and this definitely screams spring to me. Definitely reminds me of Easter, you know, so I thought this was a cute addition to add to my little desk area, and it's definitely girly like me. Okay, y'all, so the last items I want to show y'all are these beautiful vases I got from Ross. I'll show you guys in a future video where I place these in my home, but they're absolutely gorgeous. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, mwah. Bye YouTube.